This is a quiz that I have created for a client. The whole weird thing that you can see on this screen, this is a quiz. And this is part of an application funnel of that client. So he has this front facing where he says that apply to work with me. And in the application is the exact thing that's being shown. So people can choose the answers, and based on the answers they choose, the end screen will show them the exact place where they need to go to make the payment and call have a call with him. So it's more like qualifying the lead before they work with you, start working with you. And here's the part. Initially, this client wanted to build this quiz funnel in Interactive, Try Interact, or ScoreApp, or even Typeform. And he uses ClickFunnels for his funnels and websites, ClickFunnels 2.0. And when I saw that his website and everything is ClickFunnels, so I said, why not we use the survey workflows that is in ClickFunnels 2.0 itself? Why we need to use another software and use Zapier to integrate them? Like, it's too much work. So I suggested that, okay, let's do this in ClickFunnels 2.0. And then the client agreed, and I went in to build this whole thing. So everything is possible in ClickFunnels 2.0. Inside the survey workflows, it's an app that you need to connect first with ClickFunnels 2.0. Like by default, you won't see this, but under apps, if you go to like search on the search bar that survey workflows, then you will find this. And here's the part. The main purpose we switched to ClickFunnels is because the client wanted to gather the first name, last name, the email address, the contact information at first. But what Try Interact does, like it's designed to show the name, email, like those contact gathering information after the end of the quiz, which obviously serves a great purpose. But sometimes people might leave the quiz at the middle. You cannot qualify, like you cannot contact them afterwards if they leave the quiz in the middle. So that's why sometimes it's better to gather the data first, gather their information first, and then have them go through this step-by-step process. Because if they landed on the screen, they are there to actually have a conversation with you, have a talk with you. So what I did, I added this first name, last name, email address. I added these contact attributes so that this shows in the customer's data. And then I added all these branching logics. Like if they choose custody, let's say they have this custody screen, like priming them to going to one screen after that. This is a judge for whom I worked with. And so this is all like branched. And then it also asks that if they already have a attorney, if they want another set of eyes on their project, on their case, all sorts of things. And then it leads to like 3 different screens, and it's like it also scores, like giving them some weight to question, and then based on that showing one screen, and then based on that showing another screen. And also we have added some integration with MailChimp, so that customer data goes to MailChimp as well. And there's lots of parts in this. If I show you around, like if I just zoom a little bit, you'll see that after that we have this like where does this stand, what country they are filing it for, and if based on the country it shows different screen, like each country has these different things. Like there are lots of things. I cannot show all these things because this is confidential. But if you need help, like it is all branched, like here's like split path, like we have all these branching things, the rules option, like this happens when that happens. So there are lots of things involved. That being said, if you need help with building your quizzes, your quiz funnel, your application funnel, whichever it is, I love to build that for you. And if you need like untangle your brain for that, like how to do that, feel free to contact with me. Let's jump on a call, and then I can untangle your mind a bit. Like probably will leave you with some strategy about how to do these kind of things.